Would you ever believe natural enemies could share the same bed? Watch how this tiny creature completely wins over a fierce predator. Let's rewind a bit. On the day they first met, things weren't this peaceful. The little chick waddled ahead, followed by the sharp, slightly hungry gaze of the kitten. One running, the other chasing. A relentless hunt, perhaps? But no, the predator seemed completely baffled by this overly confident lunch, blocking its path, overtaking it, and then just casually strolling together. Pure innocence seems to have broken down all wild instincts. Stepping through this door, we're no longer strangers. Waddling closely behind without leaving its side, the chick seems to have made its final decision. From now on, you'll be my mama. On the white rug, they truly face each other for the first time. Sniffing the unfamiliar scent, followed by a clumsy touch of the beak. What do you think? Is this a kiss or a tentative exploration of two completely different worlds? And look, the maternal instinct fiercely awakens from a male kitten, bathing the chick meticulously from the head to the wings, down the back, and onto the belly. Love is sometimes just about this careful attention to detail, completely ignoring species boundaries. It's still not clean enough, gotta lick it thoroughly. Being a parent is hard work, it's no joke. Rewarding himself with a few minutes of relaxation, the kitty scratches its ear and grooms itself, while the adopted child keeps waddling closer, determined to stick to that familiar warmth. Let's curl up. Spotting a little gap, the chick automatically snuggles right under its mama's armpit. An absolute, unconditional, and completely defenseless reliance. Hugging each other tightly, occasionally shifting positions for a perfect, deep sleep. No matter how harsh the rules of the outside world might be, in this little corner, there is only protection. Sleep peacefully, little creature. Their steady breathing blends together. You see, love has never been limited by shape or form, has it?